Math Vlog. Today, we learn about laws of exponents, factoring polynomials, graphing on the Cartesian plane. We hope this help you understand the lessons better.
What is the Cartesian plane? It has two number lines. Horizontal line is the x-axis. The vertical line is the y-axis. They meet up at the origin 0, 0. Plotting points. Coordinates are written as x, y. First move left or right on the x-axis, then move up or down on the y-axis. Example: 2, 3, in the right 2 and up is 3. Graphing. Graphing linear equations. A linear equation forms a straight line. Example: y equals x plus 1. Make a table of values, plot the points, then connect them. And that's how graphing works.
Thanks for watching and keep learning math. Bye-bye!